Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Romz. In today's video, I'm gonna show you on how I made these glitter ornaments that I'm selling online. And yes, we are talking about ornaments now because Christmas is coming. And I know this year's Christmas is different, but you know what? Let's spread love and positivity to all. And of course, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I would really love you to be part of my DIY family. So please do subscribe, hit that notification bell so that every time I'll be uploading a new video, you'll get notified. So let's get into the DIY. The materials we need for today are the following. You will need polycrylic clear gloss, some of this extra fine glitters of your choice. I got this from Michael's, they are on sale, so I got two. Or these tiny glitter bottles from Dollar Tree. They are only $1.25 each, and you can definitely choose any colors. A pair of scissors. These plastic ornaments from Dollar Tree, they are only $1.25 for two ornaments. Small cups and a syringe. So to start, you will need to get your clear plastic ornament, remove the tag, and pull the lid off. Then grab your syringe and get some polycrylic. Then pour a fair amount of polycrylic inside the ornament. So the way I would like to cover my ornament with the polycrylic is to get some tissue and cover the top of the ornament, shake it well until it's fully covered. And then pour the excess polycrylic to the container. So now that your ornament is fully covered with the polycrylic inside, just grab your cup and put the ornament on the top of the cup until it dries. Probably you just have to wait 5 to 10 minutes so you can put the glitter of your choice inside the ornament. Once your ornament is dry enough, it's about just 10 minutes wait. Then get the glitter of your choice. I will use this Dollar Tree glitter and pour it inside the ornament. By the way, as you can see, the technique I am doing on how I cover the ornament with the glitter is the same as how I cover the ornament with the polycrylic. Make sure that the ornament is fully covered with the glitter, and then once you have excess glitter inside the ornament, you can just pour it back to the container. So the last step is to sit the glittered ornament on top of the cup in upside down position at least 24 hours to make sure that the inside of the ornament is completely dry. I will make another glittered ornament just to recap on what we did to the first one.
So there you have it. A very simple and easy to make glittered ornaments. They are so gorgeous, I'm telling you. Also, I made different colors too, such as pink, lime green, and of course the Christmas color red. And of course, you can use big round ornaments like this, or flat disc ornaments, such as this.
So there you have it. I told you it's a very short video on how to make those sparkling glitter ornaments for Christmas. And if you enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, share this video to your friends or family, and say whatever you want in the comment section. And of course, just ignore those glitters all over my face. Kidding aside, thank you so much for joining me today, and advance Merry Christmas! Bye-bye!